Next problem, f from r plus 2 minus 5 to infinity and f of x is given by 9x square plus 6x minus 5. You have to prove it is a bijective and find the inverse the question. So இப்போ எப்பவும் போல போடுற மாதிரி f is 1 to 1 prove பண்ணணும், அடுத்து f is on to prove பண்ணணும். So 1 to 1 on to னா அது it's a bijective map. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னன்னா உங்களுக்கு that is inverse exist. If it is bijective then inverse exist ஆகும். So first let us prove f is 1 to 1. 1 to 1 என்ன condition? Let us assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. So let us prove f is 1 to 1. Assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. So இங்கே என்னது 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 equal to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. Combine பண்ணுங்க terms எல்லாம் combine பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? So 9x1 square minus x2 square plus 6 into x1 minus x2, the 5 cancel ஆயிரும், equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த இதில் terms split பண்ணிங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? 9x1 factorized x2 x1 plus x2 plus 6x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Take x1 minus x2 outside. So x1 minus x2 வெளியே எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா 9 into x1 plus x2 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, இந்த term பாருங்க, either this is 0 or this is 0. இந்த term வந்து 0 ஆச்சுன்னா this 9x1 plus x2 will be negative, but r plus is positive terms, only positive terms மட்டும்தான் இதில் இருக்கும், சரியா? But இப்போ 9x1 plus x2 plus 6 positive term means it is not equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0. Only possibility is x1 minus x2 equal to 0, that implies x1 equal to x2. So when you assume f of x1 equal to f of x2, you get x1 minus x2. Therefore f is 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 prove பண்ணியாச்சு. Next on to prove பண்ண போறோம். So on to prove பண்றதுக்கு again range equal to codomain அந்த மாதிரி தான் போட போறோம். So let us prove on to. f is on to. So the given function is f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So in the f of x வந்து y replace பண்ணுங்க, y is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So இந்த question இதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது ஒரு perfect square இந்த terms எல்லாம் நீங்க consider பண்ணலாம். ஏன்னா இது this is 9x square. So 3x the whole square plus 2 into 3x into 1. அதாவது a plus b the whole square formula தான் எழுதுறோம். So next term plus 1 நீங்க ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க and this plus 1 ஆட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஒரு minus 1, so minus 5. 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6. So y equal to in the term. Now what about x? X is in r plus. Therefore that implies x is greater than or equal to 0. So x takes only the positive element. So 3x is greater than or equal to 0. Next, what about 3x plus 1? 3x plus 1 is greater. Adding both sides by 1. Okay. Next, whole square பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? This 3x plus 1 the whole square is greater than or equal to 1 square, that is 1. இப்போ இங்கே ஒரு minus 6 both sides add பண்ணுங்க. So 3x plus 1 the whole square is greater than minus 6 is greater than 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5. So this is nothing but your y. So y is greater than or equal to minus 5. That implies y belongs to the closed interval minus 5 to infinity, which is nothing but your codomain. So range equal to codomain is equal to minus 5 to infinity. So range equal to codomain வரனால the function f வந்து onto. Okay, so in the problem la f is 1 to 1 வந்துருது. அடுத்து f is on to. f is on to na enadhu? f is bijective map. இப்போ f வந்து bijective na inverse exist ஆகும். So what about the inverse? அடுத்து f inverse is given by. Next, let us find the inverse of the function. Now f inverse is from the domain minus 5 to infinity to r plus. What is f inverse of y of x? இதுக்கு வந்து நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? The range equal to codomain நம்ம போட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, அதில் x equal to in terms of y ல நீங்க find out பண்ணுங்க the value. Then you get the answer. இப்போ இதில் என்னன்னா quadratic equation உங்களுக்கு வருது equation 9x square plus 6x minus 5 minus y equal to 6. The quadratic equation. From this, what is it? Is a quadratic equation in x. So what is your x value? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா quadratic equation உடைய formula. So your b here, b equal to 6 and a equal to 9, c equal to 5 minus 5 plus y. Substitute the value minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square another 36 minus 4 into a is 9 into c is 5 plus y. Minus of minus, already a minus irukku, another plus, divided by 2 into 9. Okay, so this is equal to minus 6 plus or minus, inga oru 36, inga oru 36 varum. So you take 36 square root outside, so 6 square root of 1 plus 5 plus y. Okay, divided by 2 into 9. So the 6 வந்து இதோட cancel ஆயிரும். So உங்களுக்கு என்ன வரும்? Minus 6 18. So 6 plus or minus 6 into square root of 1 plus 6. Sorry, 6 plus y divided by 18. Cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா 3. So 1 plus or minus square root of y plus 6 divided by 18. 3. Cancel ஆயிடும். So this is your x value. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of y plus 6 divided by 3. So but x is in r plus. Okay, x is in r plus. Therefore it does not take the negative value. So only positive value மட்டும்தான் இதில் எடுத்துக்கும். Negative value எடுத்துக்காது. Since x is in r plus, therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of y plus 6 by 3. So this is your x value in terms of y. So f inverse of y is equal to x is minus 1 plus square root of y plus 6 by 3 is your inverse. So therefore finally the inverse f inverse of x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of x plus 6 by 3. This is your inverse function. So இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த problem முடியுது. f is bijective and f is inverse exist. f inverse exist. Answer is given by